Hey foodies, welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we've got something special in store, the Anova Culinary and 500 US 00 Sous Vide Precision Cooker with Wi-Fi capabilities. If you're passionate about cooking, you won't want to miss this. This right here is not just a kitchen gadget, it's a culinary game changer. The Anova and 500 US 00 takes the art of sous vide cooking to a whole new level with its Wi-Fi capabilities. Imagine being able to control your cooking from anywhere using your smartphone. With precise temperature control and 11,000 positive reviews, this precision cooker has become a must-have for home chefs worldwide. But wait, there's more. For a limited time, you can grab the Anova and 500 US 00 at the fantastic price of $219. Trust me, this is an investment in your culinary journey that you won't regret. If you're as excited as I am about elevating your cooking experience, hit that subscribe button for more kitchen tips, tricks, and reviews. And hey, share this video with your fellow food enthusiasts. Let's build a community of passionate cooks. Today, we've got something that's going to take your cooking game to the next level, the Kitchen Boss Sous Vide Cooker Machine. This little wonder right here is more than just a kitchen gadget, it's a culinary companion that's going to transform the way you cook. The Kitchen Boss Sous Vide Cooker Machine allows you to achieve that perfect doneness every single time. And with 1,800 reviews backing it up, it's clear that home chefs are loving the results. The precision and control this machine offers make it ideal for a variety of dishes. From juicy steaks to delicate desserts, the Kitchen Boss Sous Vide Cooker Machine has got you covered. And here's the exciting part, you can snag this incredible sous vide cooker machine for just $105.89. Yes, you heard that right. If you're as excited as I am about enhancing your culinary skills, hit that subscribe button for more kitchen tips and reviews. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow foodies. Let's spread the joy of cooking. This nano precision cooker is a game changer for any home chef, offering precise control over your cooking with a price that won't break the bank. At just $99, it's a fantastic investment for those who want to elevate their culinary skills without compromising on quality. With a whopping 14,000 positive reviews, it's clear that the Anova Culinary Nano has won the hearts of many home cooks. This compact device is perfect for anyone. Greetings, culinary aficionados. Today, we're delving into the world of precision cooking with a kitchen marvel that's designed for the pros, the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Pro. Elevate your culinary experience with the Sous Vide Precision Cooker Pro. This is not just a kitchen tool, it's a precision instrument for those who demand perfection in every dish. Priced at $399, this top-of-the-line device brings restaurant-quality cooking into your home kitchen. The 1,900 glowing reviews. This nano precision cooker is proof that big things come in small packages. Priced at $139.99, it's an affordable entry into the world of precision cooking with a whopping 14,000 positive reviews to back it up. The Precision Cooker Nano may be compact, but it packs a punch, ensuring your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, the Nano is designed for everyone. It's user-friendly and delivers consistent, restaurant-quality results. Imagine having the power of precision cooking at your fingertips, all within the reach of your budget.